Alright, so in case you're wondering how the live photo video compilation was done, let's say you have live photo turned on your iPhone. You select the photos you want. Now these are photos, but if you click on it, you'll see it's live photo. Right? So you select the ones you want, and you click the bottom left corner, it's a box with an arrow on top. You click that, you go to the options where it says save as video, and then it'll save as video. And then, so here's the video that is saved in. And that's pretty much it. Right there.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Look at mommy.